Hey everyone, welcome to the Environmental Thinkers. Today's episode is about a place that's full of life, beauty and importance, the Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, and sadly, it's in serious trouble. Brazil. Did you know that around the 17% of the Amazonas has already been destroyed?
That's almost 1/5 of the whole forest. And it's not just gone another 17%, it's badly damaged. That's a huge problem.
Wait, so what's causing all this damage? Is it just people cutting down trees?
Mostly, yeah. People cut down trees to make spaces for cattle ranching, farming, roads, and building huge dams. But when they do that, they destroy homes for animals and plants and for people too.
Especially indigenous communities, about 2.2 million indigenous people live in the Amazon. Many have been there for thousands of years and know how to live in the harmony with the forest.
That's something we often forget. The Amazon isn't just trees and animals, it's home to people, culture, and knowledge. And losing the forest means losing all that too.
Plus, it affects all of us, not just those who live there. The Amazon rainforest helps clean the air we breathe. The trees take the carbon dioxide and give it back oxygen.
And the weather too. Without the Amazon, it would be harder to grow food in places like Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, and even further away.
Also, let's not forget about water. The Amazon River carries the 20% of all the fresh water that flows into the oceans. That's water we need for drinking, farming, and fishing.
Okay, so now the big question. What can we actually do to help? Just feeling bad isn't enough?
True. Let's talk about solutions. One great solution is supporting sustainable agriculture. That means growing food in ways that we don't destroy the forest. For example, there's a method called agroforestry, where farmers plant crops under the shade of existing trees instead of cutting them all down.
Wait, that sounds smart. So farmers can still grow food and keep the forest standing?
Exactly. It's like using nature help instead of fighting it. And when governments and companies support these methods, it makes a big difference.
Here's another one. Support forest-friendly products. Things like Brazil nuts, acai berries, and rubber can be collected without harming the trees. If more people buy these, local communities can earn more while protecting the forest.
So, it's not about just what governments do. It's about what we choose to buy too. That made me think twice the next time I'm at the store.
Same here. I mean, even small choices can help. We can also donate to organizations that protect the Amazon, share information online, or even write to our leaders asking them to take action.
The good news is there's still time, but we have to act now. If we lose the Amazon, it's not just about losing trees. It's about losing clean air, fresh water, animals, and people's home, and a big part of the planet's health.
That's right. The Amazon is like the heart of the earth, and we can live without a healthy heart.
Let's all do our part to protect it.
On the other hand, that's something we often forget. The Amazon isn't just trees and animals. It is also home to people, cultures, and a lot of knowledge. Like I mentioned before, losing the forest means losing all of that too.
And it affects everyone, not just those who live there. The Amazon helps clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving back oxygen.
It affects the weather. Without the Amazon, it will be harder to grow food in places like Brazil or even in other countries.
So, what can we actually do? Just feeling bad isn't enough.
One solution is supporting sustainable farming. For example, agroforestry is a way to grow food under the trees instead of cutting them down.
That's smart. Farmers can still grow crops and the forest stay safe.
Yes, and when the government and companies support this method, it helps a lot.
Also, we can buy forest-friendly products like Brazil nuts or acai berries that don't hurt the trees.
So, the things we buy really matter too.
Right. Even small choices help. We can also donate, share info, or ask leaders to take actions.
There's still time, but we have to act now. Losing the Amazon means losing much more than just trees.
Yes, the Amazon is like the Earth's heart. We need to keep it healthy like I mentioned before.
Totally. Let's all do our part.
Thanks everyone for listening our podcast. See you next time on Environmental Thinkers. If you have any questions, please write us. Let's protect the planet together.